Welcome back, guys. So in this session we are going to download and install Python into our operating system. So in whatever system that you are running or you are watching this video on, or you are planning to be coding in this session, you open your browser and then in the search bar then search for Python. And on this very first link here, which is python.org, open it, and then you go under downloads. So here you can get the installer for the system into which you are using to open this page. So if you're opening this page with macOS, just like me, of course here you can get the macOS installer. If you're using Windows, there will be a Windows installer here, or even Linux installer will also be here. So now you can click on download Python, which is going to download Python, make it available, and then let's open this downloaded file and double click on it to kick up the installer. So this is how the installer is going to look like for Mac OS, but the same installer will also be for Windows, so in which you can follow the prompt to actually install Python into your system. So this step is going to be quick and it's a no-brainer. So once that is done, and when that's done, Python will be available to your system. So in this case, I already have Python installed, so I'm not going to click on this install button to reinstall Python again, because I already have it installed. But in case not it installed, you can install in this procedure. So once that is done, we need to confirm that actually we have Python already installed. So I'm going to search for terminal. There are several ways you can open terminal into your system. Here I just pressed command space on Linux. On Windows you can open start and then you search for CMD. On Linux you can also do the same thing and you open terminal. So once you open terminal, and then you type Python 3. So for people who are using Mac OS and Linux, you need to type Python 3 because we already have a default Python installation, which is actually Python 2, but in this case we are focusing on Python 3. So you need to type here Python 3 and then press enter. So if Python is already installed into your system, you're going to be able to see something like this. So like right now I have Python installed, which is Python 3.12.2. So if you're on Windows, of course you can type a similar command, which is just Python like this, and if you press enter, of course Python will be available into your system. So that's how we can install Python into our system. So in case you get any problem while installing Python into your system, you leave a comment in the section below and I'll be able to respond to you and guide you how you can set up your development environment for Python. So in case of anything, I'll also add more links in the comment section and video description on how you can troubleshoot maybe some of the issues that you can go through while installing Python into your system.